Using the engineering design process, students will select how many plants they will place in their bucket and the placement of each plant. Students will place an X where each hole will be drilled. Using safety protocol appropriate for your class, use a drill and a 2-inch hole saw to place the holes in the bucket for each plant. Next, students will design and assemble the water pump and sprayer. This example shows a submersible water pump, a sprinkler riser, and a 360-degree shrub sprinkler, but allows students the creative liberty to design and engineer their own spraying system. Perhaps they will choose to use additional spray nozzles or a unique spray pattern. Now it's time to add the water and hydroponic nutrient solution. Add approximately 2 gallons of water, being sure the pump is submersed completely. Add the hydroponic nutrient solution to the water according to the label directions. Students will need to determine the best place for the pump's power cord. Remind them that there will be water spraying inside the bucket, so everything needs to be watertight. In this example, the cord was threaded through the center hole and kept in place using a foam plant collar, but there are several feasible options. Add the net pots to the bucket and your aeroponic garden is ready for plants. The plants will need to be stabilized inside the net pots. You can use expanded clay pellets, neoprene plant collars, or rock wool cubes. In this example, we started lettuce seeds in Jiffy peat pellets. Once the roots had reached the bottom, we opened the peat pellet, rinsed away the growing media, and placed the lettuce in a foam plant collar. Here we have an aeroponic lettuce garden. If you start your seeds in rock wool cubes, use a second rock wool cube to fill the entire space of the 2-inch net pot. Otherwise, water will spray out of the bucket. If you are using cuttings or larger plant starts in your aeroponic garden, use scissors to remove the bottom of the net pots. This will also be necessary for the net pot holding the power cord.